Welcome back to Brian Outdoors Adventures. Today we're going to be outside playing with the smoker, cooking some pork ribs. So follow along as we get prepared to get them on the smoker. For today's ribs, it's pretty simple. We just got two ingredients. We need mustard and your favorite rub. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is we'll get them opened up out of the package. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is on the back side of these ribs is it's got this fat. We want to go ahead and try to shave some of this membrane off of it. Okay, now that we got that done, we're just going to go through and anywhere on it that's got a little bit of fat, and we'll just shave that off, that we don't need it. You want to get these just down to the meat, so that way you're just working with what you want smoked. And on the top side, you want to do the same thing. You just want to go through this fat and just kind of trim some of it off, so that way you get down to the meat. Alright, so when you get done, you should just have a nice big solid piece of meat. So we're going to be putting these on a rib rack, so we're going to go ahead and cut these in half. That way they'll stand up nice and tall in the smoker. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is cover these down in mustard. So what we have is a Green Mountain Grill pellet smoker. So we've got that set at 225. We're gonna put them in there for about 3 hours, then we'll come back and check on them and see how they're doing. Alright, it's been 3 hours, so now we're going to pull them out of the smoker and wrap them in aluminum foil and then put them back in for another 2 hours. Alright, we'll come back and check on those in another 2 hours, and then we'll unwrap them and cover them in barbecue sauce and let them sit on there for about another hour, and then they'll be done. Alright, so it's been about 2 hours and the ribs have been wrapped in the aluminum foil, so we're going to go ahead and pull them out, unwrap them, cover them in barbecue sauce, wrap them back up in foil, and then put them back on for another hour and let them shrink down off the bone. Alright, we just got them in the smoker, and it should take about another hour, and then they'll be falling off the bone. So stay tuned. Welcome back. We just pulled them out of the smoker and now we're going to open them up and see how they look. They were in the smoker for an additional hour covered in sauce. Alright, so they look pretty good. Meat's been pulled back. They pulled right apart, so nice and tender. And as you can see from these here, they just fall apart in your hand. Thank you for watching this video, and please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already.